we are introducing a 3D Borderless Sense screen on the Reno4 Pro. The gorgeous 6.5-inch 3D curved display on the Reno4 Pro delivers a truly immersive and vivid viewing experience. Not only that, but Reno4 Pro also comes with a screen-to-body ratio of 92.01%, which elevates the viewing experience to another level. The Reno4 Pro's gorgeous design is accentuated by its stunning curved edges, making it an exquisite piece of art. With a slope of 55.9 degrees that refracts light. The Oppo Reno4 Pro draws its inspiration from the curves that seamlessly move throughout the modernist architecture. And based on my experience, I can tell you that the design is stunning and the viewing experience is nothing less than amazing. Taking the experience several notches higher is the 90 Hz refresh rate. Compared to a normal 60 Hz refresh rate screen, the 90 Hz refresh rate on the Reno4 Pro delivers a smoother experience. Whether it is switching between apps, scrolling between images and web pages, or simply immersing yourself into your favorite social media platforms. Once you have experienced the 90 Hz screen on the Reno4 Pro, you will never want to go back. Not only this, but the Reno4 Pro also comes with a 180 Hz touch sampling rate that ensures an ultra-responsive touch and delivers better screen sensitivity. The Oppo Reno4 Pro comes with a Super AMOLED screen that supports 100% DCI P3 color gamut and 5,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio to deliver a cinematic viewing experience. With a peak brightness of 1100 nits, you can now enjoy your favorite movies and games under any lighting conditions. Smartphones these days are an extension of ourselves, and we spend a lot of time browsing, binging, gaming, and networking. And that's why the display of Reno4 Pro comes with TÜV Rheinland Full Care Display Certification, a globally recognized independent eye display safety standard. The display standard covers 11 aspects: light, display quality, ambient light management, eye protection technology, and guidance on user health and comfort, which ensures that your eyes never feel tired. It's the slimmest and lightest Reno yet, with 7.7 mm sleek, and it weighs in at just 161 grams. So even in your marathon gaming or binging sessions, your hands will never feel tired while holding this beauty. The Reno4 Pro comes with an ergonomically designed 3D curved back and a premium matte finish that is bound to be a head-turner. Reno4 Pro will be available in two beautiful colors, Starry Night and Silky White. The next thing that comes to mind is charging capabilities. We all know that Oppo has been a pioneer in charging technology with its VOOC and Super VOOC proprietary technology. At present, there are over 157 million users worldwide enjoying the convenience and speed brought by our flash charging technology. Recently, Oppo was recognized as the #1 brand in the battery charging technology space by CMR. And I'm happy to share that Oppo has also announced a disruptive 125-watt fast charging technology, which truly demonstrates Oppo's technological leadership in the field of super fast charging. I am sure we all have experienced situations where we forgot to charge our phones in the night and woke up to a low battery. Well, now we don't have to worry about that anymore. Reno4 Pro comes equipped with the fastest charging technology commercially available, the 65-watt SuperVOOC 2.0. Now, you can fully charge your Reno4 Pro's 4000 mAh battery in just 36 minutes. Trust me, it's mind-blowing. But it's not just limited to charging speed. Keeping safety paramount, the Reno4 Pro's SuperVOOC 2.0 has been enhanced with 5 safety protection measures, including the adapter, the charging cable, and the device. The Reno4 Pro has been put through many tests, and I'm happy to share that it has passed the TÜV Rheinland Safe Fast Charge System certification. This certification required the Reno4 Pro's battery to pass rigorous testing criteria, not only across multiple sessions, but through 600 independent fast charge-discharge battery life tests to ensure that the phone is safe to use on a daily basis. Under the hood, the Reno4 Pro is powered by the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset. Based on 8 nanometer process, the processor is capable of handling even the most arduous of tasks with ease. In addition to this, for the first time, we have used graphite tube cooling technology. The 3D multi-cooling system on the Reno4 Pro comprises of graphite tube coupled with a graphite sheet and copper foil to manage the device's temperature effectively and ensure that your phone runs smoothly even during heavy usage. And for someone like me who's constantly using his phone, might I add that it has never heated up even once. Unlocking the Reno4 Pro will now be extremely stylish and fast with the next generation Hidden Fingerprint Unlock 4.0. You can now unlock your phone in just 0.34 seconds. We at Oppo have always been listening very closely to you. And we understand that content creation is as important as content consumption. There is a camera buff in each and every one of us. And we are always on the lookout for that beautiful shot or that amazing video. So let's talk about the camera on the Reno4 Pro. The Reno4 Pro is equipped with a powerful 48 megapixel quad camera setup, which is as versatile as you are. The camera is capable of handling different lighting and shooting conditions with ease, and lets you create and capture stunning memories. Our India R&D Center has made significant contributions to elevate the camera experience on the Reno4 Pro. Now, you can capture slow motion videos at 960 frames per second with the Smart Slow Motion feature. With the help of advanced motion detection algorithms, the camera intelligently detects, recognizes, and records slow motion videos at the tap of a button. The Reno4 Pro allows you to even capture slow motion videos from the front camera. So now you can capture your selfie videos in slow motion as well. And now to my favorite feature. For the first time, we are introducing AI color portrait and monochrome video recording feature. While using this feature, the AI recognizes and separates the subject from the background. The state-of-the-art black and white filters then change the background to monochrome while retaining the subject color to deliver stunning videos and photos. Here are some of the shots that we captured with the phone. Simply stunning, isn't it? We at Oppo always strive to deliver the best experience to you, our consumers. And we understand that the ability to capture steady videos is very important. And the Reno4 Pro's camera shows its versatility here as well. The Reno4 Pro comes with Ultra Steady Video 3.0, through which you can choose, depending on the scenario, which Ultra Steady mode to use. In extreme scenarios, you can use the Ultra Steady Pro mode, which delivers higher stability by using the ultra-wide lens to minimize the shakes and jerks. In normal video recording scenarios, the Reno4 Pro uses software to stabilize the video shot through the main camera. And that's not it. Now, you can capture ultra-steady videos from the front camera as well. And to make your videos even more amazing, we have the SoLoop Smart Video Editor. It can help you identify key highlights in a video through built-in AI capabilities, and also allow you to overlay music on top of it. And what you get are perfect videos on a tap of a button. Now, we all have had a situation when we had to click photos in extreme low light or dark conditions. And the Reno4 Pro's camera does this and more. Now, you can capture portrait images as well in extremely low light conditions with the all-new Night Flare Portrait mode. And you can see the results here. Isn't it just amazing? Building on the legacy of the Reno series, the Reno4 Pro also comes with features like the Ultra Dark mode, the Ultra Night Selfie mode, and the Ultra Clear 108 megapixel image. I am impressed by the versatility of the camera. It has definitely brought out the photographer in me. And I'm sure that you will find the photography experience on the Reno4 Pro a delight. All this has been made possible because of our quintessential ColorOS 7.2. With the ease of use, convenience, and simplicity manifested throughout the ColorOS, it elevates the smartphone experience to another level. Gravity Wallpaper is a new wallpaper designed for Oppo Reno4 Pro that uniquely changes its orientation according to the direction of gravitational forces. Isn't this an interesting way to interact with the universe? And for the gamers amongst us, what do you hate the most while playing games? I believe most people would say being interrupted. Coming to your rescue in those dire moments is the Quick Return Bubble feature that allows you to seamlessly return to the game by clicking a floating bubble button. Now it's that moment you all have been waiting for and glued to your screens. Time to reveal the beauty. Oppo's latest premium offering, the India-first Oppo Reno4 Pro. I know, you are all eagerly waiting for this. Trust me, I am also equally excited. So, the price of the India-first Oppo Reno4 Pro is Rs 34,990 and will be available on sale from 5th of August onwards.